The Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X is an uncommon marriage of compact design, blazing fast parts, high-end features, and a very fair price. The world of portable 13 and 14-inch laptops is hyper-competitive in 2022, but the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X starts at $1,254.99. $1,599.99 is tested, manages to stand out. A blistering Ryzen 9 processor leads the way in our model, supported by 32 GB of RAM, a 1 TB SSD, and even an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. The latter is rare at this size, providing legitimate graphics chops in a 14-inch body, which competitors lack. A couple of cutting-edge features may be missing, but realistically the Slim 7 Pro X is a better value than most of the alternatives, earning an Editor's Choice Award among ultra-portables. The design here delivers exactly what you'd expect to see from the system's name. This is a trim, compact laptop that just looks like it's ready to be picked up and taken on the road. That's especially interesting considering its rather impressive internal components, but we'll get to those a bit later. By 12.92 by 8.72 inches, slim indeed. It also measures 3.2 pounds, which may be a touch higher than you'd expect when looking at its footprint, but factors in those more serious components and their requisite thermals. It's still super portable overall, and generally feels well built. The design is perhaps a bit plain compared to some premium alternatives like the Dell XPS 13 Plus or the HP Spectre X360 13.5, but the aluminum build is still solid. In addition to the trim size, the display is one of this laptop's hero features. It measures 14.5 inches diagonally, laid out in a 16:10 aspect ratio. The 3K resolution is thus an uncommon 3072 by 1920 pixels, which looks great in person. It's an IPS panel, touch-enabled, and even boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate. Such a feature has been normally reserved for gaming machines. High refresh rates can show more in-game frames per second, which makes gameplay look and feel smoother, but it's beginning to appear on more non-gaming systems. As with smartphones, which have also gone beyond the standard 60 Hz, higher refresh screens still make everyday computing use, such as web browsing and media, look smoother, too. Lenovo has a long track record of comfortable keyboards, and that holds true here. It's not quite on the level of the cushy ThinkPad keys, but the similarly scalloped keys with cushioned yet satisfying feedback are present. They are also backlit with white lighting. The touchpad, meanwhile, is a big, straightforward design, and it functions perfectly well. If anything, it's slightly large for the chassis size, which is only a plus. The components are a big draw for performance, and we'll get to those in a moment, but the supporting feature set is also positive for day-to-day use. The webcam is full HD and includes an IR sensor for Windows Hello, plus an electronic privacy shutter. The 1080p camera is a boon, and though that camera resolution is becoming more common in the past year due to the emphasis on remote work, we still see a lot of 720p webcams. The difference is notable, and the Slim 7 Pro X's camera produces clear video. Physical connectivity includes 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an HDMI connection. This isn't an Intel CPU system, so the ports lack Thunderbolt 4 support, which most Intel-based competitors will offer. The laptop also supports Wi-Fi 6, not 6E, and Bluetooth. All told, it's quite a fully featured laptop despite its compact size. Let's check out the components, and then see how the system performs. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.